Hey, what's up everybody? So I'm going to show you how you can add Fable 5 Claude to Xcode. So let's get to it. So the first thing you have to do is pretty much go over to Xcode here. And you won't really need to go inside here. Just go up to here where you see Xcode and go down to settings, right? Make sure that you already downloaded and installed the Claude agent. If you haven't, you can just watch my previous video where I kind of go over how to do that. Now just click Claude agent here, and now you will see right here where you see models. Just hit the drop down menu here, and then there will be this other button now that says other. Hit other here, and pretty much it's just going to say enter a raw model identifier to pass the Claude agent. So pretty much just tell it what's the name of your Claude model that you want to use. So what we want to use is the Fable 5 model. So we're just going to type in Claude-Fable-5, and this is the name of the actual model. So we'll just enter. And now pretty much what we've just changed is that basically, so now we're going to be using the Fable 5 model in Xcode. So let's just close this. And then we can go to Xcode right here. And then we could just do, say, new project, do app. And then we don't really care about that part. And we already have our agent set up. But if you don't have it already, make sure you go over to here, the intelligence section, hit new conversation. Make sure you click on Claude agent, right? And then right here, you could pretty much just ask it what model it's using to confirm that you're actually switched to using Claude Fable 5. So I'll ask it that. So I said, what model are you using now? No, all right. If you see this, one thing I've noticed that, you see how it's saying to sign in? One thing I've noticed that to do this, to get this to work, is go to settings. And you are going to go to Claude agent here. But you're probably already signed in. Just sign out first, and then sign in. Hit continue, and then authorize. And then now you're signed in, and you see the model is still Claude-Fable-5. And then I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna hit a new conversation. New conversation, Claude agent. I'll just paste back what we had, what model are you using now. And now you'll see we'll get the info that I'm running on Claude 5. It tells us pretty much the model, and that's where you get access to Claude Fable 5 in Xcode, so you can use it for your Claude agent. So if you like this, definitely like, comment, and share. You're with Nerdy Yardy, and it's a lot more we're gonna add for Xcode 27. So if you like this, stick around. I remember the motto, anyone can learn anything with time, practice, and failures. All right, I'm out.